Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome to yet another vlog of ElectroPixels. Today in video we are going to repair this Sony 32-inch LED TV with the fault no power problem. Here you see the TV is not turning on. Also the power indicator is also missing. See, this TV works on 19 volt DC at. Now let's check all voltages with multimeter. Here you see that the 19 volt input VCC is okay. Now let's check for other voltages. Friends, see here the 1.5 regulator is not producing the 1.5 voltage. This is the reason for no power issue in this motherboard, so here we can try to recover this motherboard back to working instead of replacement. So let's check the reason. See here the 1.5 volt regulator needs 3.3 voltage as input voltage for working. While checking here we noticed that the SMD MOSFET is not producing the output voltage 3.3 volt. But 3.3 volt is available in the input pin of the SMD MOSFET. So here we are going to repair this motherboard by a simple bypass method. See friends, now the bypassing is done. Now the 3.3 volt is available to 1.5 regulator. And because of that, now the missing 1.5 voltage is generated. Because of this, now the TV motherboard started back to working. See friends, now the TV standby light started glowing. Here can see the backlight comes. See now let's check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV is repaired successfully.
So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.